Family, look up.
Look up.
What's Varun doing?
Sitting in the bucket.
Sitting in the bucket and doing what? What's Varun doing sitting in the bucket?
Sitting in the bucket.
Varun is sitting in the bucket. Very nice.
And doing what, Varun? What are you doing in the bucket? You're taking a bath?
Chalo Varun, now we are all done. Can we come out please?
Please.
Please? Please?
No. Please.
चलो अभी उठो. चलो Varun, now all done. Okay, honey. I need you out of there, please. Hey Varun. No licking.
No. Dog is licking the Dudu.
It's not Dudu, it's dirty water. Chalo, get up please.
It's comfortable inside.
Sitting in the
Come
bucket.
on, up, please
Yes.
up. Get up.
I'm sitting in the bucket.
Yes, you are. Now it's time to get up, okay? We've sat long enough. Utho. Please. Hey Varun, ठंडू लग जाएगा बेटा, उठ जा. Okay, up.
No.
Yes, we are getting up. Please, okay? Good boy.
No.
No, we are getting up. Utho.
I'm sitting in the bucket.
Yes, you are sitting and now you are going to get up.
All done bucket.
All done, bucket.
See you tomorrow, bucket. Up, stand up. I know you're stuck now. Good boy.